Hello, Jamari with Tax Assurances. Just want to do a quick video about IRS returns that need to be corrected. So every so often I'll sit with an existing client or a new client where they have a tax return that needs a correction. Now, if it's a small amount and it's not that significant, usually I'll let the IRS take care of that return because a lot of times they'll have that information on file already and they can make that correction. But if it's a situation where there's a lot of information and it's a significant amount, what I'll do is I'll have an amended return to that tax return. So what we'll do is we'll sit down, we'll get all the information that's necessary, and we'll make the corrections and submit that to the IRS so they have the correct information. If you have more questions, you can reach out to me in the comment section. Also, you can reach me through the information in the comment section, like my phone number and my email address. And again, if you have the need to do a corrected or an amended tax return, just give me a call.